Hello students, I hope you all are fine, hope, healthy. Okay, so it's good to see you guys. Yeah, on Facebook. I really appreciate the students. Of all the grades. It was very nice of you to sign up and come in contact and create group for your classes. Thank you, dear students. All right. So today we will be learning something about geometry, and this is especially for grade 8, 9 and 10. Honestly, dear students, if it was not important for you guys, I would not take so much of time to, make all these figures and write all these things and come and make a video. And for grade 6 and 7, it's very important. But 8, 9, 10, because you get lots of questions based on these things, so you don't have any choice. Recently, who's gone to grade 9, if you remember, you had questions in BLE also. So it's not going to leave you now, because you have started this, and according to your grade, you have to know these things. All right, let's start with angle. When a straight line meets another straight line and forms a corner, an angle is formed. So when a straight line meets another straight line and meets at a point, so the meeting point, they meet at a point, and that meeting point is called a vertex, V-E-R-T-E-X, a vertex. And then two straight lines. This is, now in this figure, this is an angle. So this is side, or it's also called arm. This is another side, it's also called arm. And to keep in head, a point to be noted here is side. When we say side, we use two alphabets, like side AB or side BC. When we say angle, either we use one alphabet or we use three alphabets. Sometimes when your teacher is asking you, name this angle, some student, they make mistake by saying BC or AC. So when you say two alphabets, then keep in your mind that it's side, not angle. When you have to name angle, then we use three alphabets and sometimes one alphabet. Now maybe we'll come when to use one alphabet and when to use three alphabets. We'll start with three alphabets. So the name of this angle is angle ABC or angle CBA. We don't say angle BAC because when we start from B and if we go to A, then there is nothing to come to C. So we say A, B, C, because from A we go to B and then we go to C, then we make this angle. Okay? And then comes types of angles. So there are various types of angles on the basis of their measurement. Let's a quick revision. More than 0, less than 90 is acute angle. Exactly 90 is right angle. More than 90, less than 180 is, 180, less than 180, yes, is obtuse angle. That's correct. So most of you know that. Straight angle, exactly 180 degree is straight angle. More than 180, less than 360 is reflex angle. Exactly 360 degree is complete angle or round angle. So this was types of angle on the basis of measurement. Now we have pairs, some pairs of angle which has name and some properties. For example, complementary angles, C-O-M-P-L-E-M-E-N-T-A-R-Y, complementary angles. Now here, I think I need to take the camera and I need to be behind the camera to explain you this. And again, we'll switch to the other mode as well. All right, so here we have, so this was angle, okay, and the name of the angle is ABC, angle ABC. AB is the side, BC is another side, B is vertex. Now we have complementary angle. So two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. So we know two angles are PQS and SQR. So when we add these two angles, it will give us 90 degree. So these kind of angles are called complementary angles. And then we have supplementary angles. Two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. S for a supplementary, S for a straight angle, and straight angle is 180 degree. So angle MOL plus angle LON is equals to 180 degree. So that's supplementary angles. Now we have this figure. So when you see like a straight line, AB is a straight line, CD is another straight line. So AB is intersected by another straight line, CD. So when a straight line is intersected by another straight line, the opposite angles so formed are equal. Now how they are equal, that we can solve later on in our another lesson. So for now, just the definition. So they are called vertically opposite angles. So angle AOD is equals to angle COB, and similarly angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Now this is adjacent, I'm sorry, I forgot to write the name. So adjacent angle. Now here in this figure you see many angles. You see angle POB, angle POQ, angle QO, POB, POQ, QOR, ROA. Now here what happens is two angles are said to be adjacent if they have common arm and common vertex. This will help you to understand better. Now when you look at the figure and look at that, angle POB and angle POQ, POB and POQ, PO is common side for both the angle and O is the common vertex. Now so according to the definition, two angles are said to be adjacent if they have common arm and common vertex. So this two angle, first one, this two angle has common arm, that is PO is common and vertex O is common. And then when we go to POQ and QOR, so we have POQ and QOR, we have QO common arm and O common vertex. Similarly, but when we come to POB and ROA, the vertex is common O, but no arms are common, so they are not adjacent angle. All right. Now we go to alternate angles. Okay. So yeah, some of you have already done this. A quick revision. There is a transversal. EF is a transversal, and AB is parallel to CD. So here we see AGH is equal to GHD. And that is because they are alternate angle. Two angles are said to be alternate if they are inside the parallel line. If you search for angle AGH, okay, maybe I'll try to show you AGH. So this angle and GHD, that's this angle and this angle. So they are both inside the parallel line. I'm sorry. Hopefully this will work. Yeah. Okay. Now AGH, that is this angle, and GHD, this angle. They are both inside the parallel line, but on the either side of the parallel line. That means this angle is left hand side and this angle is on the right hand side. So these two angles are alternate angle, but another thing to keep in mind is on either side and not adjacent. That means this angle and this angle should not be adjacent. So they have common arm, but the vertex is different. So they are not adjacent. Similarly, this angle and this angle are alternate angles and same properties on the either side of the transversal, both inside the parallel line, not adjacent. And alternate angles are always equal. So this is alternate angle. Now we have corresponding angle. Two angles, okay, you have a look at this, we'll come back to that again. So I need to go to the figure. So two angles are said to be corresponding angles if one is inside the parallel line and one is outside the parallel line. Here LAO, that means this angle, and ABQ, that is this angle. So these two angles are corresponding angles because one is inside, the other is, this is inside and this is outside. Now there are some other properties, like it could be, you could say like, sir, why not this and this? This and this is, one is inside, the other one is outside. But these two are adjacent. That means corresponding angles should not be adjacent. So how do we find corresponding angles? One is inside the parallel line, other is outside the parallel line, and at the same time they are not adjacent and they are on the same side of the transversal. So if you pause this, if you draw this figure in your copy, you can pause the video and draw this figure. I would suggest you to draw all the figures and try to check the angles, and then if you have any doubts, any confusion, then Facebook and Messenger. See, now your parents lets you use Facebook, Messenger, Facebook chalao, online basa, computer chalao, mobile chalao, you know, I mean, like, so anyways, let's go back to co-interior angles. The name itself says interior, that means inside. So here we have co-interior angles. Now when we work with co-interior angles, two angles are said to be co-interior if they are inside the parallel line and on the same side of the parallel line. But co-interior angles are not equal, dear students. So this angle, and this angle is a pair of co-interior angle, RS, PRS and RSA. RSA. So this angle and this angle are co-interior angle, but co-interior angle are not equal. They sum to 180 degree. And these pairs of angle like alternate angle, corresponding angle, co-interior angle, these angles you will find only in parallel lines. Now the last one is another angle, which is exterior angle. So interior angle, there are three angles inside the triangle, you know that, 1, 2, 3. Now when we add three angles of a triangle, it gives 180 degree. I don't know whether you saw that or not. Let's focus there. Yes, I hope you can see this. So when we add angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, it should give us 180 degree, because sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now another thing, these three angles. Now there is this angle which is outside the triangle, and this is called exterior angle. Now the relation between exterior angle and these angles is exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. That means supposing this angle is A, so angle A is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. Suppose this is 120 degree, this is 50 degree, so this should come 70 degree. Okay, 70 plus 50, 120. So exterior angle is equals to sum of interior opposite angle. Now this was a very quick, fast, and I have never explained this many things within 10 to 15 minutes. This is first time in my life, and this is super fast, dear students. If you have understood this, if it is effective, then we can make short videos like, taking a lot of things within 10 to 15 minutes. No sir, that was very fast and there was some confusions. I'm not satisfied. Okay, to be very honest, I'm not satisfied with this explanation. Honestly, like, you know me, like when I start a topic, it takes like, I think just for parallel line, we took 3 or 4 periods, and we've done like, so many angles within like 20 minutes. I don't know the time. Anyways, just let me know your feedback. If you just look at the video and then like, just copy the things and then just, you have to do these things. 8, 9 and 10. Dear students, it's compulsory. It's like you have to do this thing. And anyways, if you have any questions or any suggestions, Facebook Messenger, you can send a message, you can ask questions, and if you think it was fast, let me know. If you think it's okay, we can go like this, let me know. Anyways, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.